Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a piece of crap. Now, this is an HP Chromebook that has been defecated out of the tech universe. So, we're going to cut it open. Okay, we're just going to do that. We're just going to tear it open. Oh, come on. Come on, you sophisticated piece of garbage. You bowel excrement. Okay, don't you just love the insulated romantic FedEx bags? All right, here's the piece of crap right here. This is the HP crap book, 5400 Alpha, 5400Z. And then if you open this, we've got a crap power brick for electrical current of AC 105, 100, 240 volts, 60 hertz, 18 volt, 20 volt, 2A, 4A. Meh. Okay. All right. So we got this and that. And this can go on top of that. Okay, let's just plug this little well, first let's open the lid. Open the lid. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, how cute. Oh, it's cute. All right. Oh, look, it turns on when you open the lid. Oh, it turned on. What is that? Like a smudge or something? Yeah. It's like a smudge on the screen. Okay, so this is cute. Yeah, it's really cute. Ugh, stupid piece. Do you want to activate what? Hold on. Zoom. Do you want to activate Chromevox, the built-in screen reader for OS, Chrome OS? No. No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. All right. Anyways, let's get these little cord here. I have to do everything from because I'm the one armed man. Yeah, I'm one armed. I have no arms. I haven't been blessed with two functioning arms. No, I have. I'm just kidding. I was blessed with two functioning limbs. What is that? Cigarette ash? Somebody smoking a doobie on the keys? Somebody smoking? Alright, so was somebody smoking? That's the question. Did you smoke? Did you smoke? Did you smoke? Did you smoke? Oh, look at how excited I am. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is like a dream come true. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. No, not really. But yeah. So alright, so let's plug this in. Alright. I have to do everything. Alright. I'll be back once I don't want to splice it together right here. Let's just go like this. There. I plugged this stupid thing in. Alright. Get the knife away from the cord. Get the knife. I don't want cutted cord. I don't want the cut cord. Alright, there we go. Alright, now it has power. I think it does. It doesn't have any lights to indicate whether... Oh, there's the... What? Is it charging? Is it? Is it? I don't even know if it's even charging. I don't know. Wait. 45 full. Wait, let's unplug. Oh, that's when it's off. Okay. Okay, the power brick works. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank it. Oh, thank it. Oh, thank it. All right. So get started. All right, I'll be back. I gotta splice it together. Okay, I'm back. We got Sega Genesis, and I'm getting my butt kicked, and I just died because I wasn't playing. But anyways, got Sega Genesis, MAME, regular Nintendo, etc. And this works with this Chromebook works with the Xbox controller. This crap box actually is some sort of sophisticated, ingenious metaphor of logic within lies. It's actually a little retro gaming tornado of a system. And it actually works with the Xbox controller, and it's not too sluggish. See, you can turn crap into beauty. You can take a crappy system like this, this crappy little poop box of a system, this little shat, and you can actually turn it into a awesome little retro gaming machine, from regarded to beautiful, from ugly to magnificent, from failure to triumph and victory. You can turn a crappy system like this into a dime machine of epic proportions. Epic. So, this is the HP crap box stream. Not stream, but I mean Chromebook. HP Chromebook crap box. But it actually can game old retro style games using the Xbox One controller plugged in over USB. So I turned a crappy investment into a catastrophically amazing phenomenon of mesmeric epic proportion. Thank the $40 that I spent on this machine. It only cost me $40 for this monstrosity of a diary infestation. It only cost me $40 for this crap box, but it turned out to be an epic, mesmeric, mystical investment of chronological proportions. So I'm happy with my 40 that I spent, my $40, because I can play thousands of arcade games. Look how many games I have. And we're gonna exit. Yes. Look how many games I have of MAME alone. Look at all my MAME games. Wow, look at them all. Isn't it amazing? Oh, and that's just in there. The list just keeps going on and on and on. Yeah. All right. Well, that's the HP Chromebook crap box turned into a magnificent investment. Thank you.